I've never been on this side of Bay Lake, have you?
No, I've never been on this side either.
Because I'm looking over there going, where's the castle of Space Mountain? But it's all the way over there.
It's beautiful. Actually, no, I think it's behind us. Oh, but it's beautiful here.
I've never seen anybody parasailing yet either.
No.
If you can do it. $95 for yourself and $175 for tandem, or $170. Imagine how crowded it gets. Peekaboo, Grand Floridian, the Monorail.
Oh, you can see Thunder Mountain.
Yep.
Or Splash Mountain.
And look at the castle.
Part of Tomorrowland.
And right over there, just in a little while, right back over in that area, is going to be Tron. So imagine the view, because the Tron's coaster is going to go back over in this area. So something else cool to look at.
This would be a perfect view for fireworks.
Yeah.
And then right over here, it's a peekaboo view of Grand Floridian. Oh, and there's the boat. This is so awesome. So cool.
The work they're doing over there on this fire.
Oh yeah, the top of Space Mountain.
The refurbishment things.
Yeah.
Makes you wonder how much that Tron coaster is going to take up. Is it going to be bigger than Space Mountain? Taller? It's going to be taller because that's as high as they can go, right?
Right. I think it's cool. I'm excited for it. And I'm glad that they're not taking away the Speedway. It's iconic.
Kids love the Speedway, don't they?
Yeah, it's iconic and it's for the kids. They really enjoy it. Just, I wish they would get it more
maybe
environmentally, friendly, so you don't have to smell those fumes.
Yeah, it's the worst part about sitting there behind somebody for a while.
Place is impressive. Most impressive. cute. I think like the fire lights up.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Can't wait till the gingerbread house replaces that.
Taking a picture for somebody.
How awesome is that?
Look how cute. There's characters in the floor in the Grand Floridian. I've never noticed them before. Mickey, Pluto, Minnie, Goofy, and Donald. That's cool. I've never noticed it before. It's just right when you walk in from the monorail station.
The monorail.
You can see the castle. Awesome.
That must be the one boat that you can charter to go out and have like romantic dinner.
Maybe. Woo, it's centering.
It's thunder. Well, we attempted it. The weather did not want to cooperate.
No.
It did not want, as you can see and have seen, it is pouring.
It's pouring. So that was the monorail around the Seven Seas Lagoon. We had the Contemporary, the Ticket and Transportation Center, then the Polynesian, the Grand Floridian.
Grand Floridian, which was the nicest, I think.
It's beautiful. And then the Magic Kingdom entrance. And then all the way back to the Contemporary.
And what, a quarter of the way through it, it started to rain.
Yeah, it started to pour. But that's Florida.
Yeah, it's Florida.
In the summer.
In the summer.
Yeah.
But it's so, what, it's 2 o'clock and it's so dark you can see all the lights up in the California Grill up there on top of the Contemporary. In the daytime.
Yeah.
It's pretty dark. It was fun.
So if you get a chance to do it, it's fun. We're definitely going to try to do it at Christmas time because the Christmas trees are just beautiful and all the resorts and all the decorations.
And if you're going to see one, see the Grand Floridian. That'd be that's my top pick out of all of them.
I love all of them, so
yeah,
I really
the Grand Floridian with the gingerbread house.
Yeah, I just don't really have a favorite. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment.
Sorry it was short, but sometimes the weather in Florida does not cooperate with what you want to do.
Yeah.
Hope to see you out there sometime.
Bye.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook,
Instagram,
and Twitter.